Today I'm going to show you how to draw in Canva. In your design, click on Tools, then click on the Draw icon, and then you have pen, marker, highlighter, eraser, and all those tools. The pen is used to make thin strokes. The marker has a little bit thicker strokes, and the highlighter can highlight anything that you want. And the eraser just erases the full stroke that you made. And you can also change the color by clicking on the color, and then you can change it. Let's say I want a green marker or pen, then I can draw green. And I can also change the width or weight of the size or weight of the strokes. So as you can see, I can do that. And that's about it. That's how you draw in Canva. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.